Welcome, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the sun-soaked shores of Antalya, Turkey, to explore the Baia Lara Hotel. This beachfront paradise is a haven for families and sun-seekers alike, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. So grab your imaginary sunscreen and let's dive into what makes this resort a standout destination. Let's start our tour with the accommodations, shall we? The Baia Lara Hotel offers a range of room options to suit every traveler's needs. Whether you're a couple looking for a romantic getaway or a family seeking spacious digs, they've got you covered. The twin double rooms are perfect for those cozy duos, while the family rooms offer ample space for the whole clan. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about the amenities? Well, fear not, my friends. These rooms come decked out with all the essentials to make your stay comfortable. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool as a cucumber, TVs for those lazy evenings when you just want to veg out, and other standard amenities that'll make you feel right at home. And let's not forget about the views. While we don't have the exact details, it's safe to say that with its prime beachfront location, you're likely to wake up to some pretty spectacular vistas. Imagine drawing back the curtains to reveal the shimmering Mediterranean Sea or lush garden landscapes. It's like waking up in a postcard every morning. Now let's talk grub. Because let's face it, food is half the reason we go on vacation, right? The Baia Lara Hotel doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. While we don't have a full rundown of all their dining options, we do know that they've got at least one restaurant that's ready to tickle your taste buds. And here's the kicker. They offer both continental and buffet breakfast options. So whether you're a grab a croissant and go type, or a load up the plate and make multiple trips enthusiast, they've got you covered. The main cuisine focus seems to be Turkish, which is fantastic news for food lovers. Imagine savoring authentic kebabs, meze platters bursting with flavor, and baklava so sweet it'll make your teeth ache, in the best way possible. But don't worry if you're craving something from home, there's a good chance they offer other international cuisines too. Now, we don't have the exact operating hours or dress codes, but here's a pro tip. Pack a nice outfit or two. You never know when you might stumble upon a themed dinner or special event that calls for a bit of dressing up. And who doesn't love an excuse to look fancy on vacation? Alright, sun worshippers and water babies, this next part is for you. The Baia Lara Hotel boasts some seriously impressive pool and beach facilities that'll make you want to live in your swimsuit. Let's start with the pools, shall we? While we don't have the exact count, we do know that they've got at least one pool that's bound to make a splash. But wait, it gets better. There are whispers of water slides and other aquatic activities. Can you imagine the shrieks of delight from both kids and adults, let's be honest? As you zoom down those slides, it's like having your own private water park. Now, if you prefer your water with a side of sand, you're in luck. The hotel is conveniently located near a sandy beach that's just begging for long walks and sandcastle competitions. And for those of you who can't sit still even on vacation, they've got water sports available. Fancy a bit of jet skiing or parasailing? Go for it. Or maybe you'd rather just lounge on the beach, cocktail in hand, working on that enviable vacation tan. Either way, the Baia Lara Hotel has got you covered. Literally, if you count the beach umbrellas they probably have available. But wait, there's more. The Baia Lara Hotel isn't just about lounging by the pool or beach, though, let's be honest, that's a pretty great way to spend a vacation. For those of you who like to stay active even when you're supposed to be relaxing, they've got a whole host of activities to keep you entertained. First up, there's a fitness center for all you gym rats out there. No need to feel guilty about that extra helping of baklava when you can hit the treadmill the next morning, right? And it's not just a room with a few dumbbells. They offer fitness classes too. Yoga by the sea, anyone? But maybe pumping iron isn't your thing. No worries. How about a game of tennis? They've got courts where you can channel your inner Serena Williams or Rafael Nadal. Or if you prefer your sports with a side of strategy, why not challenge your travel buddy to a game of billiards? And let's not forget about the evening entertainment. The hotel puts on shows, concerts, and themed nights that'll keep you entertained long after the sun goes down. Imagine sipping on a cocktail while watching a dazzling performance under the stars. Now that's what I call a vacation. Now, let's talk about pampering, because what's a vacation without a little or a lot of indulgence? The Baia Lara Hotel takes relaxation seriously with its impressive spa and wellness facilities. Picture this. You've just had a long day of sunbathing and water sliding. Tough life, I know. And you decide it's time for some serious R&R. Well, you're in luck. The hotel's spa is a veritable oasis of tranquility. Fancy a massage to work out those knots? They've got you covered. How about a traditional Turkish hammam experience? Step right in. The spa offers a variety of treatments that'll leave you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and wondering why you don't do this more often. But the pampering doesn't stop there. The hotel also boasts a sauna where you can sweat out all your worries and maybe that extra piece of baklava. And let's not forget about the fitness classes. Whether you're into high-energy workouts or prefer something more zen like yoga, there's likely a class that'll suit your style. So go ahead, treat yourself. After all, you're on vacation. Attention all parents. If you're worried about keeping the little ones entertained, fear not. The Baia Lara Hotel has thought of everything to ensure that your kids have just as much fun as you do. Maybe even more, but don't tell them that. While we don't have the exact details of their kids' club, we do know that they offer children's entertainment. Imagine dropping the kiddos off at a supervised play area where they can make new friends, engage in fun activities, and maybe even learn a thing or two about Turkish culture. It's a win-win situation. The kids are having a blast, and you get some much-needed adult time. But the family-friendly fun doesn't stop there. Remember those water slides we mentioned earlier? Yeah, your kids are gonna love those. And let's not forget about the beach activities. Building sand castles, splashing in the waves, maybe even trying out some kid-friendly water sports. It's a child's paradise. The hotel seems to understand that happy kids mean happy parents. So they've gone all out to ensure that every member of the family, no matter how small, has a vacation to remember. Now let's venture beyond the hotel grounds, shall we? While the Baia Lara Hotel offers plenty to keep you entertained, it would be a shame not to explore the wonders of Antalya. And lucky for you, the hotel's location puts you right in the heart of the action. First up, we've got the historic sites. Antalya is a city steeped in history, with remnants of Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman civilizations just waiting to be discovered. Imagine strolling through ancient ruins, feeling like you've stepped back in time. And let's not forget about the beaches. While the hotel has its own beach access, there are plenty of other stunning stretches of sand nearby if you're in the mood for a change of scenery. But maybe you're more of a shopaholic? Well, you're in luck. The hotel is conveniently located near shopping areas where you can pick up everything from local handicrafts to designer goods. And the best part? Getting around is a breeze with public transport and taxis readily available. So whether you're in the mood for a cultural excursion, a beach-hopping adventure, or a shopping spree, the world, or at least Antalya, is your oyster. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.